We'll go with the body rotation, everyone. Keep your both the hands on the waist. Neck up and down. 1. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Front half neck rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back half neck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your both the hands on the shoulder. Shoulder rotation, rotate forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full hand rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump and distance, everyone. Hands in front of the chest. Body twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep your both the hands on the waist, everyone. Raise hand up. You go the right, lift your right hand up, everyone. Exhale, bend sideways and slowly come back. We'll go the same alternate. 1. With each exhale, bend sideways. 2. Well and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and hold, everyone. 5. Well and 4. Interlock your both the hands. 3. Well and 2 and 1. Change side, everyone. We'll go with another side. Bend sideways. 1. Interlock your both the hands. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. You keep your both the foot out, everyone. Now we'll go with the Utkita Kalyasana. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. You please start, everyone. 1. Well and 2. Great. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Exhale. You stay here. 1. Well and 2. Go down, Jyoti ma'am. 3, 4. Well and 5. Bring your both the thighs parallel to the ground, everyone. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly come back. Keep your both the foot straight. Now दोनों हाथ कमर पे रखो. You rotate the shoulder. Now from here, inhale, slowly bend back as much as you can. Exhale, bend forward. Well and 2. Inhale, bend back. Lift sternum higher. Exhale, bend forward. Well and 3. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, go front. 4. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. 5. Inhale, bend back and hold wherever you are. 1. Well done. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale, bend forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from here we'll go with the Skandasana, up and down, everyone. 1. Start, Jyoti ma'am. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One side hold one, namaskar. Well done 2. Well done 3, 4. Well done 5, 6. You roll the hand around the back, everyone. You simply interlock your both the hands. You lift the sternum higher. Exhale, you go front, everyone. Try to bring the chin down. You'll keep looking front, everyone, and stay there. 1, come on. You keep pressing your folded leg away. 7, go down. 8, well done 9, and 10. Slowly come back, inhale. Now slowly go to other side, everyone. Hands in namaskara. 1, come on, everyone. Well done 2, 3, 4, well done 5, yes 6. Now roll the hand around the back, everyone, come on. 1. You slowly lengthen the spine, everyone. Go front 2, 3, well done 4, here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back again in the center. Now everyone, you raise your body higher. You try to keep your both the foot out. Now look at the camera, everyone. You join your both the hands in namaskar. नहीं आपको दोनों हाथों को ऊपर उठाना है तो you can raise your both the hands up. Now initially go to Utkarta Kalyasana from here. Now slowly you turn to the right side. You keep pushing the waist down. At the same, everyone, you come back to the center. You turn to the other side and come back to the center. Now this is set 1. We'll go with the 3 set. Okay, everyone? You please come on. You go to Utkarta Kalyasana. Raise your both hands. Deep inhale. Exhale, go down. 1, turn to the right side. Anjaneyasana, you keep engaging the knee. 2, come back to the center. Utkarta Kalyasana. 3, turn to the left side. Well, and 4, come back to the center. Second set. 1, you lift your back leg, heel up, everyone. Go more down, Jyoti ma'am. 2, in the center. 3, to the left. 4, to the center. Third set. 1, to the left. You keep engaging your back knee. 2, in the center. 3, to the left. 4, in the center. And slowly come back. You relax the legs, everyone, here. 5. You go the slight movement of the legs, everyone. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you turn to the right side, everyone. You raise your both the hands up. You keep engaging the core. You try to keep your back straight. Now exhale, you go down, you go to Anjaneyasana. You keep pushing the waist more down, everyone. Inhale, you come up. We'll go with this repetition. Start, everyone. 1, exhale, go down. Bring your thigh parallel to the ground. Inhale, come up. Well done 2, go more down. You keep your front leg exactly in the 90 degree. Try to keep your trunk perpendicular. And inhale. Exhale, you go down. You keep looking front, everyone. Inhale, come up. Throughout the asana practice, you please try to lift your back leg, heel up. Don't fix the foot. We are working on the front split, right, everyone? Heel को उठा के रखने का. Okay. Well, in 5, inhale, come up. Well, in 6, down and hold. 1. Go down, Jyoti ma'am. Well, in 2. Go more down, Manisha ma'am. 3. Well, in Jigar Saab. 4. Sangeeta ma'am, जाओ थोड़ा नीचे. Go down. 5. Well, in 6. Dennis ma'am, go more down. Sangeeta ma'am, जाओ थोड़ा नीचे. 8. Come on, Jyoti ma'am, go more down. 9 and 10. Inhale, you come up. Exhale, you bend forward, lengthen the spine, everyone. Go front for the hamstring stretch. 5. Knee straight karo, samne ka knee straight karo. 4. You push your abdomen forward. Keep your both the glutes in the same line, everyone. 3. Well done. 2. 1. And come back. We'll go with the other side, everyone. You turn to the left side. You lift your back leg, heel up throughout the asana practice. You raise your both the hands up. You deep inhale. Exhale, you go down. Bring your back leg quadricep more down, everyone. Inhale, come up. Start, everyone. 1. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Well done. 2. Go more down, Jyoti ma'am. And slowly come up. If you are finding difficulty, you can keep your hands on the waist, no problem. 4. Inhale, come up. Knee straight karo, knee straight karo. Well done. 5. Go more down, Dennis ma'am. And up. 6. Everyone go down. And slowly come up. 7. You go down and hold there. 1 command. You keep lengthening the spine, everyone. Engage your quadricep. Engage your back knee. You try to bring your thigh parallel to the ground, everyone. 2. Well done. 3. Well done. 4. You keep engaging your pelvic floor muscles, everyone. 5. Go more down, Manisha ma'am. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Keep a knee straight. Lengthen your spine. Bend forward. Stay here. 1. Yes, Jagar sir, go down. Leg straight karo. 2. Back straight karo, Jyoti ma'am. 3. Well done. 4. Here 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Slowly come back. You sit down, everyone. Do butterfly. Yes, 5. Well done. 4. Well done. 3. 2. And 1. Now you take 2 bricks, everyone. Now you take 2 bricks, everyone. Look at the camera now. Now you can take the knee pad or you can use pillow. You can keep whatever you want. Now you take the pillow or the knee pad, everyone. You keep your one leg front. अब दोनों ब्रिक हाथों पे रखो. You try to keep your both the glutes in the same line here, okay? You can keep your back leg in the plantar and try to keep leg exact in the 90. You lift your extended front leg toe up, everyone. You keep engaging. Exhale, you go down. You try to bring your back leg quadricep more down as much as you can. You keep pressing it down, everyone. And exhale, you bend forward, lengthen the spine. Clear? Start, everyone. Start. 1. Exhale, you go down. Keep your front leg in the 90 and try to bring your quadricep more down. Exhale, bend forward. Well done. 2. Inhale, you keep pressing your waist more down. Keep pressing your waist more. Go down, come on, everyone. You try to bring your back leg quadricep more down. Exhale, bend forward. Well done. 3. Exhale, try to bring your back leg quadricep more down and bend forward. Here 4. Exhale, you go down and hold, everyone. दोनों हाथों को bricks पे रखो. You try to keep it run perpendicular. Okay. You don't try to change the position of your back leg. Make sure your back leg quadricep facing towards the ground, everyone. Okay. वेस्ट को दबा के रखो पूरा नीचे की तरफ. You look front and stay there. 1 command. Go down, Aira. Well done. 2. Sangeeta ma'am, go down. वेस्ट को दबाओ नीचे. Well done. 3. Yes, well done. 4. Go more down. Jyoti ma'am, जाओ थोड़ा नीचे. Go down. Go down. Well done. 5. Swati ma'am, very good. 6. There ma'am, don't lean. You try to bring your body exactly in the center. 6. Dennis ma'am, go more down. 7. Karishma ma'am, आओ थोड़ा नीचे जाओ. वेल डन मनीषा मैम 8, संगीता मैम वेरी गुड, जाओ नीचे. Ira, keep your back leg straight, Ira. 9, well done Jigarsa. 10, raise your both the hands up everyone. Come on, 1, well done 2, go more down everyone. You keep pushing the waist more down. 3, trunk perpendicular. 4, you keep engaging your back leg quadricep. Engage your glutes everyone, engage your pelvic floor muscles. Well done 5, well done 6, take long deep breath in and breathe out. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Exhale, bend forward, back leg 90. You keep extending your both hands, move forward everyone. You keep lengthening your spine, try to keep your foot flat. You look front and stay there. Well done 5. Keep your foot flat, Jyoti ma'am. You keep a leg in the dorsiflexion. Lift your front leg toe up, Jyoti ma'am. You lift the leg up. Well done 3. Stomach को push करो पूरा आगे. Well done 2. In Ardha Hanumanasana position. Start Avikta ma'am. 1. Again go to the same position everyone. Now you take the chair. Now you hold the chair everyone. Raise your both the hands up. You try to fix your back leg more. Now you try to keep your front leg more than 90 degree. थोड़ा सा दूर रखो, ठीक है? Come on, come fast. Yeah, you keep pressing the waist more down. Now hold the chair everyone, go more down. 1, come on. Bend the leg in the 90. Well done 2. Well done 3. Go more down Sangeeta ma'am 4. Come on Ira. Well done Jyoti ma'am, जाओ थोड़ा नीचे. 5. Little more down. Well done Daya ma'am 6. Dennis ma'am very good 7. Now you try to fold your back leg everyone. Hold 10. Well done 9. Here 8. Fold your back leg 7. Well done Jigasa 6. Well done Avikta ma'am 5. Go more down Karishma ma'am 4. Karishma ma'am leg fold करो पीछे 2 and 1. Relax. Bend forward. Back leg 90. Extend your front leg. You just try to lift your front leg, ankle in the dorsi. Now keep your both hands on the chair. You keep looking front everyone. 5. Lift the toe up, Jyoti ma'am. Lift the toe up. Front leg toe. Well done 4. Well done 3. You feel the deeper stretch in the front leg hamstring everyone. You keep engaging. 1 and slowly relax. Now go with the other side everyone. You stand on the again straight. Go with the other leg. Extend the leg front everyone. Keep your back leg in the same plantar. Start everyone. Inhale. You try to lift your body higher. You try to bring your back leg quadricep more down everyone. And exhale, you bend forward. You try to keep your foot flat when you are lengthening the spine. Back straight karo, Jyoti ma'am. Inhale, you try to bring your back leg quadricep more down everyone. Go more down. Exhale, bend forward. Lift your front leg toe, lengthen the spine. आप लोग हंस करिए, don't do rounding back everyone. You don't do this. You try to lift your sternum, rotate the glutes here. Now see, you have to go with anterior parietal, you look front. Go front. Stomach push करो. Inhale up. You keep pressing the waist. Reduce the distance, Sangeeta ma'am. 90 degree में रखो initially. Sangeeta ma'am, keep a leg in the 90. Exhale, go front. Lengthen. Yes. Inhale, come up. You keep pressing your back leg quadricep more down into the ground, everyone. Go more down. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale. You try to bring your back leg quadricep more down and hold. 1, come on. जाओ ज्योति मैम. Start Sangeeta ma'am. Sangeeta ma'am, keep your front leg in the 90. ये 90 degree में रखो पैर को. Yes, जाओ नीचे. 1. Well done 2. Go down Jyoti ma'am. Well done Ira 3. Go more. Well done Dennis ma'am. Go more down 5. Trunk perpendicular. Wish को दबा के रखो थोड़ा. Jyoti ma'am go more down. Well done 6 here everyone. You keep pressing more. 7. Engage the core everyone. With each exhale you try to push your waist more down. 9. Well done 10. Raise your both the hands up. You keep looking front. Last 10 everyone. Well done 9. Yes, go down. Come on Ira. 7. Well done 6. Go more down. Sangeeta ma'am 5. Jigar sir go more down. 4. Well done 3. Well done 2. And 1. Exhale, bend forward. You keep extending your both hands forward. You lengthen the spine, do little anterior, rotate the glutes towards the body everyone. You keep looking front, try to keep your foot flat completely. Waist को दबा के रखो पूरा. You bring your thigh down, you look front. 5. Keep your back leg exactly in the 90 degree everyone. Well and 4. Lift the toe. Jyoti ma'am, lift the toe, lift the toe. Well and 2. Go more down. 1. Again go to the same position everyone. Now you hold the chair in the hand. You try to keep your leg slightly more than the 90 degree everyone here. Stay here 1, come on. Go down everyone 2. George Swati ma'am पूरा नीचे 4. Well and दया ma'am 5. दया ma'am हाथ straight रखो. Well and 6. Go more down. 7. 8. Fold your back leg everyone, come on. 1 here. Well done everyone 2. You keep engaging your back leg quadricep everyone 4. Simply you can go with the Mula Bandha 5. Well and 6. You keep smiling everyone 7. 8. Come on Sangeeta ma'am 9 and 10. Bend forward. You lengthen the spine. Extend your front leg. Keep your back leg in the 90 everyone. Go front. 5. Jaw stomach push करो थोड़ा. Well done 4. Well done 3. 2 and relax. You sit down everyone. Do butterfly. Five. Well done 4. 3. 2. 1. Keep your both the legs front everyone. You start with the leg twisting. 1. Well done 2. 3. 4. 5. Well done 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Now keep your both the legs on the chair everyone. Little more hamstring stretch. For the better relaxation, you keep your both the legs on the chair. Now hold the foot everyone here. You try to keep your both the ankle in the dorsiflexion. You try to lengthen the spine. You have to feel the deeper stretch, deeper relaxation everyone in the hamstring. Back को straight करो. Don't do this everyone. Okay. Lengthen the spine. Look up. Chest को उठाओ. सामने की तरफ देखो. You try to bring your lower abdomen to the thigh. You look front and you simply stay there. 1 command. Foot flat. Jyoti ma'am, keep your foot flat in the dorsi. पीछे flat. Yeah. 5. Lengthen the spine. Go more well. Sangeeta ma'am 6. Ira, look up Ira. 7. Don't do rounding back. Jigar sir, look up Jigar sir. 9. Lengthen the spine. Yeah. 10. Further exhale, you go front. You try to bring the chin everyone. 1 command. जाओ आगे 2. Well in 3. जिनको डिफिकल्टी लग रही है तो आप बेल्ट यूज करो चलेगा नो प्रॉब्लम. 5. Well done 4. Yes, there, ma'am. 3. Well done 2. 1 and slowly relax. Hug your knees, everyone. 5. Well done 4. Well done 3. Here 2. 1 and simply relax. Now you take 2 bricks, everyone. You keep your both the bricks to the wall. Okay. एक brick wall को रखो and other brick exactly to the side of the mat. This brick must be exact. You need to keep this brick exactly in the center of the mat and other brick to the side of the mat. Okay, everyone. Now you try to keep a right leg, everyone, here on the chair. Sorry, on the brick. Now stand on the knee. You try to bring your leg front. You need to keep this foot more than the 90 degree, everyone. Okay. थोड़ा पीछे लेके आओ. More than the 90 degree रखो. Now you take the support of the chair, everyone. You place your both the hands on the chair. You deep inhale. Exhale. You keep pressing your waist more down. Try to bring your back leg quadricep more down, everyone. And now you can move your legs slightly wider to bring your back leg quadricep towards the ground. And simply you stay here. Alright, everyone. After the 5 seconds, after 10 seconds of the asana, you have to slide this chair more forward. Initially you keep your elbow. You keep pressing the waist more down. Okay. The moment when you are keeping your both elbows on the chair, you need to lift your back knee up, everyone, and you have to stay here. Clear? You please start. Take position. Come on. You keep your one foot to the wall. Another foot exactly the side of the mat. We'll be going with the Uttan Pristha. Initially, place your both the hands on the chair, everyone. You keep pressing the waist more down. आपको elbows रखना है तो you can also keep your elbow. But you keep bringing your back leg quadricep more down. Yeah, 1 command. Well done, everyone. 2. Start करो मनुष्य माम, go down. Well done 3. Don't lean initially. You try to keep a trunk perpendicular. 4. Well done 5. Just try to tuck your tummy in, everyone. 6. Go down. 7. Yes, well done Sangeeta ma'am. Go down. 8. Come on, Dennis ma'am. 9. Now everyone, 10. You slide the chair forward where you need to keep your both elbows here on the chair. You try to lift your back knee up and stay there. 1, come on. Yes, well done Jyoti ma'am. 2. Well done Daya ma'am. 3. Here 4. Well done 5. Well done 6. 7. 8. Well down करो मनीषा मैम थोड़ा. 9 and 10. Slowly come back. Inhale. Exhale. Bend forward, everyone. You try to keep your back leg exactly in the 90. You extend your both the hands, everyone. Hold the chair with your both the hands. You try to bring your upper body completely towards the ground and stay. But you try to keep your foot flat. 5. Stomach को push करो. ज्योति मैम जाओ थोड़ा. Bring your lower abdomen down. Lengthen it front. 2. 1. Again you go to the same position in Uttan Pristhasana, everyone. Okay. Now you keep your, as it is right leg front, you keep your left elbow on the ground. Okay. If you are able to hold the big toe, you can hold the big toe. You fold your back leg, everyone. You raise your one hand up. Now bring the right hand back. Hold the foot, everyone. You Parivrita Ekapada Rajakapodasana. You simply try to bring this heel to the glute, everyone. Allow your spine to twist and stay there. Okay. Come on, start. Waist down करना है. ज्योति मैम waist down, waist down. Go more down. आओ जाओ नीचे थोड़ा. Yeah, well done. Come on, start, everyone. 1. Fold your back leg. You try to touch. ज्योति मैम waist down करो थोड़ा. Go more down. Well done. 2. You keep your leg more than 90 degree, Jyoti ma'am. More than 90 degree. 3. Front leg more than. Yeah, 4. Yes, come on, Sangeeta ma'am. Keep your elbow on the ground. Well done 5. Well done 6. Come on, Ira, keep your elbow on the ground, Ira. Keep your left elbow on the ground. Left elbow on the ground. Yes. 9. No, she is doing correct. 10. Yes, perfect. Keep your elbow. Last 4. Go more, Swati ma'am. 3. Come on, Dennis ma'am. 2. Very good, Karishma ma'am. Relax. Bend forward, everyone. 5. Elbows on the ground. You look front. 4. Well done. 3. Here 2. And relax. Great. Change leg, everyone, now. Now change the position of the brick, everyone. You keep your foot on the brick more than 90 degree. You bring the chair front, everyone. You can keep your both elbows. 1, come on. You look front, everyone. If you want to place your both the hands on the top, you can place your both the hands on the top. Yes, 2, come on. Well done. 3. Normal recline, Ira. Here you can keep, no problem. Well done. 4. Don't lean there, ma'am. 5. Very good. Swati ma'am, jao thoda. Jyoti ma'am, jao thoda. Jyoti ma'am, go more down. Well done. 6. Well done. 7. 8. 9. You slowly slide your chair forward and try to keep your both elbows on the chair, everyone. Try to lift your back knee up. 1, come on. Well done. 2. Come on, Dennis ma'am. 3. आपके लेग ग्राउंड पे रखो. संगीता मैम, लेग ऑन द ग्राउंड. लेग ग्राउंड पे रखो, ग्राउंड पे. वेल डन. 3. हाँ, इट्स सेम. सेकंड साइड कर रहे हैं हम. आपके दोनों हाथ चेयर पे रखो. 5. वेल डन. 6. या लिफ्ट योर नी. वेरी गुड. 7. वेल डन करिश्मा मैम. 8. वेल डन. 9 and 10. Well done, Avikta ma'am. Bend forward, everyone. You try to hold the chair. You lengthen the spine. 5. Well done. 4. Well done. 3. Go front, Ira. Well done. 2. Now, everyone, you try to keep your opposite hand on the ground. As it is left leg front, you keep your right elbow on the ground, everyone. Allow your spine to twist more. You fold your back leg, hold the leg, everyone. Just try to bring the heel more. Touch nahi ho raha hai. Normally you can stay here. If you are able to touch your heel to the glute, you can touch and stay there. Right, everyone? You please start. Come on, everyone. 1. Come on, everyone. 2. Well done. 3. Here 4. 5. Well done, Ira. Look up, Ira. Touch your heel, Ira. 6. Waist को down करो ज्योति मैम थोड़ा. Go more down. Keep pressing the waist down. 7. Very good. Go more. Well done, Manisha ma'am. 8. Yes, Dennis ma'am. Very good. 9. Well done, Avikta ma'am. Daya ma'am. Very good. 10. Yes, Karishma ma'am. And relax. Bend forward. You keep your both elbows on the ground, everyone. Keeping your leg exactly in the 90, you look front. 5. Well done. 4. 3. Well done. 2. 1. Slowly relax, everyone. You sit down, you sit in Vajrasana. Now you go with this movement, everyone, for the better relaxation of the legs. Side to side. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. And relax. Now you take the chair, everyone, from the same. Your brick will remain the same. Now you take 2 more bricks, everyone, if you want. Okay. You can take 2 more bricks. Now you need to touch your foot to the wall, everyone, here. Okay. Now you take the chair front, everyone. Now you have to keep your half of the leg on the chair. It's only for the deeper stage, everyone. Okay, you try to keep your leg on the chair here. You keep sliding front. Okay, everyone, where the back of the knee must touch to the edge of the chair. Clear, everyone? Now hold the brick if you want. That's completely optional. You try to bring your body back. Okay, you keep pressing the waist more, everyone. You bring your awareness towards your back leg quadricep. With each exhale, you try to push your waist more down. Okay, you try to penetrate, everyone. ठीक है? Start करो. Come on. Take position, everyone. You keep your leg on the chair. Now place your both hands on the chair, everyone. Sorry, hands on the brick. You keep your half of the leg, everyone, where the back of the knee is touching to the edge. Now slowly keep pressing the waist more down, everyone. You look front and stay there. One, come on. Yes, go down. Well done, everyone. Two. वेस्ट को दबा के रखो ज्योति मैम. जाओ थोड़ा. Well done. Three. Look front. Here, four, everyone. You keep a leg straight. Go more, Sangeeta ma'am. Five. Well done, Jigar Shah. Six. Yes, well done, Karishma ma'am. Jao thoda. Seven. If you want, you can keep your hands on the chair as well. If there is any possibility, you can raise your both hands up, everyone. Seven. If not, hands on the chair. Eight. Well done there, ma'am. Nine. 10. Last five. Very good, Karishma ma'am. 4. Well done, Jigar Shah. 3. And 2. Relax. Bend forward, everyone. Your leg will remain in the 90. Extend the front leg. It's forming 90 degree, right, everyone? You try to place your both the hands on the top of the chair, keeping your extended ankle in the dorsiflexion. You keep looking front and stay there, keeping your both the glutes in the same line. एक साइड tilt नको करो, दोनों एक ही लाइन में लेके आओ. 5. Exhale, lengthen the spine. 4. Well done, Dennis ma'am. 3 here. Go more there, ma'am. Well done, 2. And slowly relax. Change leg, everyone. Come on. You keep another leg, everyone, on the chair in the 90. Start, Jyoti ma'am. One, come on. Well done, 2. You're well done, everyone. 3. Go more down. 4. Yes, well done, Jyoti ma'am. 5. Manisha ma'am, very good. 6. Go more down, everyone. 7. Here 8. जाओ ज्योति मैम थोड़ा नीचे. You keep pressing it down. 9. 10. Last 5. Go more. Come on, Sangeeta ma'am. 4. Well done, Ira. Go down, Ira. Go more down. Waist को दबाओ कर नीचे धीरे धीरे. Well done, 3. Bring your back leg quarter से more down. You can push her. गगन मैम आप थोड़ा पुश करो, चलेगा. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली हाथ इधर रखो, इधर 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 रखो, एग्जैक्टली टॉप ऑफ द ग्लूट, और इसको प्रेस करते रहना धीरे धीरे. हाँ. Well done, 3. Yes. Well done, 2. 1. And relax. Bend forward, everyone. Lengthen. 5. You go forward. 4. 3. Well done, 2. 1. Slowly relax. You sit in Vajrasana and stay here. You go with a slight movement, everyone, side to side for the better relaxation. 5. 4. 3. Well and 2. 1 and relax. Now everyone, you take 2 bricks. मैं आपको एक brick use किया तो भी चलेगा. And you keep your other brick everyone exactly to the side of the mat. Other brick exactly in the center and other brick exactly to the side of the mat. Okay. Now everyone, you keep your knee here to the wall. You try to fix the foot to the wall. Now you try to bring the other leg front, everyone. You keep sliding forward, where you can keep your heel on the brick. Or if you are finding difficulty, you can keep your leg on the ground. You keep a leg everyone slowly here. You keep sliding down everyone, waist को down करो. आपको चाहिए तो you can take support of the chair here. Okay. You bring this chair everyone. You keep your both elbows on the chair. Okay. You keep pressing the waist more down everyone and hold the chair here and simply you can stay there. Clear everyone? Start करो, come on. Start Jigar sir. You keep a knee to the wall exactly in the 90. You just try to fix the leg there. Start there ma'am. Yes Sangeeta ma'am. आपकी दूसरा पैर exactly the side of the mat के पास आना है. One, come on. Well done. Two. You keep sliding down. Yes संगीता मैम जाओ थोड़ा. ज्योति मैम जाओ थोड़ा. Go more संगीत. ज्योति मैम थोड़ा चेयर पीछे ले लो ना. आपकी तरफ ले लो ताकि आपको अच्छा सपोर्ट मिले. या और थोड़ा पीछे. हाँ. Yes, keep your elbow properly and try to keep a trunk perpendicular. Trunk perpendicular. 6. Well done Swati ma'am. 7. Yeah, well done Manisha ma'am. 8. Well done Dennis ma'am. 9. Here 10. Last 5 everyone. Here 4. Well done 3. Well done 2. 1 and relax. Great. Change everyone, come on. You keep pressing the waist more down everyone. You keep looking front and stay here. 1. Yeah, well done. Jao Sangeeta ma'am. 2. Well done. 3. Well done everyone. 4. Well done. 5. Very good Daya ma'am. Jao thoda. 6. Well done Dennis ma'am. 7. Bravo Manisha ma'am. 8. Avikta ma'am. Very good. 9. Thoda back straight karo Avikta ma'am. 9. Well done Sangeeta ma'am. 10. Last 5 everyone. Here 4. Well done 3. And 2. Relax. Slowly come back everyone. You please sit down to butterfly. You please sit down to butterfly everyone. You relax the legs, you look at the camera everyone. Now we'll start opening the split everyone. Those are good head split. You no need to take support of the pillow. Now if you're able to open the split directly, you can open everyone. Now you no need to touch the foot to the wall. You can take 3 to 4 bolsters or the pillows or the bricks, like whatever you have. Now you keep exactly in the center everyone. Now you take 2 bricks in the hands. See, one thing you need to remember everyone, आप कभी भी आसन कर रहे हो, whenever you are doing the Hanuman asana, make sure that your back leg will remain the same. You don't try to change the alignment of the asana. You keep your one leg front everyone here. You take 2 bricks. You try to fix your back leg everyone. Better you can check the middle line of the mat everyone and try to fix your back leg there. Okay. Otherwise आपकी leg इधर उधर चला जाएगा. Okay. Don't move your leg. You try to fix the leg everyone here. You keep looking front. You extend the leg everyone. You try to push your lower abdomen down. Rotate the glutes completely. Okay. Now go with the tilt, pelvic tilt everyone. You keep sliding forward. अभी देखो, I'm not changing the position of the leg, right everyone? You slowly go down धीरे धीरे से. You try to sit comfortably. You open the split and stay there. एक साइड like आपको पूरी split बैठना बोल के one side tilt. Now don't tilt like this everyone. ठीक है? Make sure your knee facing down towards the ground. Your back leg quadricep completely facing towards the ground. If you are able to open up the split 100% is okay, completely fine. But you don't try to change the geometry of the asana. Clear everyone? Come on, try. Start everyone. If you are able to open directly, you can open directly. Yeah, you keep looking front here. You just try to make an arch in the back everyone. You lean forward slowly. So slide forward, everyone. You try to sit comfortably on the pillow. You keep looking front, everyone, and stay there. Come on, everyone. Start करो. Very good, संगीता मैम. संगीता मैम और एक पिल्लो ले लो आप. चाहिए दो. 1. Very good. Yes, Ira. Very good. 2. Yes, well done. ज्योति मैम जाओ थोड़ा. 4. Well done. 5. Well done. 6. Well done. 7. Well done. 8. Well done. 9. Weight left hand की तरफ shift करो ज्योति मैम. You shift the weight to the left side. 9. Well done. Ira. 10. Last 10, everyone. 9. Go more down, everyone, here. 8. Well done. 7. Well done. 6. Yeah, well done. 5. Very good, Dennis ma'am. That's amazing. Well done. 2 here. Well done, Manisha ma'am. जाओ थोड़ा संगीता ma'am. 1. And slowly you come back. Great. Change. Come on, everyone. You extend the leg front. Come on, everyone. Just try to open up the split. You go down slowly. You go more down as much as you can. You sit comfortable, everyone. You look front and stay there. Start, everyone. Open up the split here. 1. Well and Jigar sir, go down 2. Well and 3. Here 4. Well and Swati ma'am 5. Well and 6. Well and 7. 8. 9. 10. Last 10, everyone. 9. Well and Jigar sir 8. Bravo Avikta ma'am 7. Well and there ma'am 6. Gomoda Manisha ma'am bravo 5. Well and 4. Here 3, 2 and 1. Slowly relax, everyone. You sit down to butterfly. Well done, Ira. You start the leg twisting, everyone. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. You lie down the stomach, everyone.